I'm taking a very long trip in January and it is going to be very far, and I love to curl my hair and I just need a lot of things for my hair. So I got this hair tool travel bag. I'm super excited about this because now I don't have to have everything just stuck in my bag or, you know, scattered out. I can have it all in one place. So this is what it looks like. It's just this like brown color. It is super soft and it also has a zipper. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbutton it. So it unravels, so you can probably put something right here if you wanted to. I'm unzipping it and this is what the inside looks like. So you have some pockets right here and then you just have a little empty surface right here and then the divider itself. So I have 2 hairbrushes that I'm going to be putting in here, and then I'm going to put my curling iron in here as well. And then I'm going to zip her up, and I still have so much room. So this definitely is going to be handy when I fly out in January. So if you're looking for a makeup bag to travel, or even if you wanted to just use this at home to store your stuff a little better, this definitely is a great choice. I'm Kenzie and I'll see you next time.